There are two main types of toxins. They are water-soluble and fat-soluble. Now, water-soluble toxins can break down in water. And this would be things like nicotine or caffeine, some medications, and artificial sweeteners. As I pour this artificial sweetener in this glass of water and stir it, you can see that it dissolves in water. And what this means is, it means that it's water soluble. Because our bodies are mostly water, the water-soluble toxins have an easier time in being excreted from the body in the urine. Now, fat-soluble toxins, on the other hand, do not break down in water. Let's take this product, and this is a product that you would find normally in your garage, and let's put it in the same water. Now, you see it does not dissolve in the water, it actually separates from the water. Fat-soluble toxins are much harder for the body to get rid of, and they get stored easily, especially in fatty tissue. Because women naturally have more fat, we tend to store more toxins. So let's be clear. Water-soluble toxins are easier for the body to eliminate than fat-soluble toxins. Another thing you need to know about fat-soluble toxins is that they are extremely damaging to those people who are deficient in essential fatty acids, which is the good fats like our omega-3s. When your body is deprived of essential fats, it will grab onto oily substances even if it's toxic substances like diesel fuel. Avoiding the fat-soluble toxins sounds like the solution, but it's difficult to do. We encounter them in daily life when we pump gas or we shop for clothes, buy a new car, or even pick up the laundry. They are in such things like solvents and glues and paints and a lot of our cleaning products. Now, these toxins, both water-soluble and fat-soluble, enter the body three main ways. The first is through the lungs from inhalation. Toxic chemicals from the vapors, fumes, and gases that we breathe can be transported into the bloodstream through the tiny capillaries in the lungs. The second is through the mouth and the intestinal tract from digestion. Now, although the small intestine is highly adapted for nutrient absorption, toxins like pesticides or solvents or food additives can just as easily pass through the digestive lining and right into the bloodstream. And the third way that toxins get into the body is through the skin from absorption. Although the skin is the protective barrier to the outside environment, it is also highly adapted to absorb substances through its layers, and you guessed it, right into your bloodstream. And once they're in the bloodstream, they will travel to the liver. The liver is the primary organ of detoxification. The liver is the hub where toxins are transformed, neutralized, or reassembled so that they can be eliminated from your body through one of the major channels of elimination. And these channels are the colon, the kidneys, the skin, and the lungs. A properly functioning liver is able to clear most of the toxins from the blood before that blood is recirculated to the rest of the body. The key words here are properly functioning. In reality, a properly functioning liver is about as rare as a properly functioning husband. You expect them to take out the trash regularly, but it just keeps piling up.